Well, hello everyone. This is Peter Brown with Look at Your Weather for the next 7 days. Here we are heading towards the start of May, the final month of meteorological spring. I know it's hard to believe we are actually only 4 weeks away from the beginning of meteorological summer, so hard to believe that we are that far through the year. Unfortunately, though, our temperatures here in the Burlington area are much like it's been the past 10 days or so. It is not going to feel anything like the middle to late portion of spring or even anywhere remotely near what summer temperatures would be like. Now, starting on our period on Friday, our temperatures at this time of the year should be in the mid to upper 60s. That's also true as we round out the period getting in towards May 4th at the end of next week. But we're going to be seeing our temperatures on Friday a little bit cooler than that. Temperatures only in the low 60s, but Friday I think is going to be by far the best day out of the next 7 days. It's going to be actually the warmest day as well. So unfortunately, for those of us who are real warm weather fans, this is not the forecast for us. The only thing that we can really lets us know that we are getting towards the end of spring is our length of days keeps getting longer and longer. So even though we have those dreary skies out there, at least we have plenty of sun early in the morning and it's nice and bright late at night. So as we go ahead, let's take a look at what the Climate Prediction Center is calling for us here in the Burlington area over the next 7 to 10 days in terms of temperatures and precipitation. Unfortunately, what you see is what you're going to get here. Just like it's been the past week here in Burlington, we're going to see a fairly high chance of below average temperatures for most of the eastern half of the United States. And here in the New England area especially, we're going to be looking at the chances of above average precipitation. Unfortunately, that means that is going to also be falling during our weekend. If you have any plans at all going out this weekend is pretty much going to be a total washout for you, unfortunately, as we end out April. So as we go ahead, let's take a look at those glorious, if we can say, 7 days of weather coming up here in the Burlington area. Unfortunately, again, looks like Friday is going to be the pick of the week. I know it's hard to believe that every day is going to feature temperatures below average for this time of the year. Starting on Friday again, that's going to be our brightest day, maybe some breaks of sun out there, hopefully, but unfortunately, we're going to keep this persistent, cool, damp, dreary easterly wind in off of the ocean, which is going to keep our temperatures down in the low 60s. Now, as we get in towards the late portions of Friday, getting into Saturday morning, we're going to see some heavy rain chances moving into the Burlington area, and that is going to continue into Sunday. And also, even though we have some sun here on the 7-day forecast on Monday, where we think the sun might poke out later in the day, we're probably going to see that heavy rain extending into Monday morning as well. So just keep an eye out. Make sure that you have any storm drains cleared of any debris left from the winter or from last fall, because we may be seeing a couple of inches of rain here again in the Burlington with some really gusty, cold easterly winds with temperatures only in the mid-50s. After that storm clears out of here, however, it looks like we're going to keep the unsettled weather with the chance of showers each and every day. And it looks like we finally get to warm a little bit back towards normal as we get towards Thursday with temperatures again in the low 60s. So everyone, keep those umbrellas and raincoats handy. Have a great week and enjoy the weather.